Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, we've been having a little problems with the orange bike. She's been spitting and sputtering on top end, so we're gonna cut her open, take her out her heart, and clean it. Make sure she's all clean, because we don't know why she's doing that. It did it on me and Kaylee, but we also have a flat tire, so we're gonna take a look at that too. First thing first, we gotta take the seat off. So we got the seat off. There it is. It gone. Let's see if it'll start. Okay, so she won't start. Imagine that, right? You know, why would I have something that runs? Anyways, we're gonna get some Allen heads, and we'll take these plastics off, and we'll catch you guys as soon as we're done with that. Alright guys, so we got the plastics off. Next thing we're gonna do is take this gas tank off, I believe, so we can get that carburetor, and we'll get it cleaned up, and we better check the oil before we even do anything, because it could just be, no, oil's good. She's nice and fresh, clean. So we're gonna take the gas tank off, get that carburetor off, clean it up, put it back on, and hopefully we're gonna throw the battery charger on it while we're cleaning the carburetor, so we can get it running, and hopefully it solves our problem. If not, we gotta dig more into it. But these spikes are super simple, especially these Chinese ones, because there's nothing there. You don't have none of these. Yeah, so anyways, we'll get back to the live action. Alright guys, so we got the carburetor off. If you guys look, it's a little filthy. We're going to give her a little cleaning real quick. The outside, then we'll clean the inside. Almost out of brake cleaner, but you know. There we go. Grab your fancy dancy Phillips head screwdriver. That won't fit, so we gotta go get another one.
I shake, so it's gonna be really shaky.
Ready? Ready?
What do I point it at? This?
Carburetor.
Put your hands out of the way.
Alright guys, so we got the carburetor back on, we got the filter on, we got some gas here. Pour some in without spilling it. She's a thirsty girl. Alright, so we're going to just put that much in it for right now, because we don't know if it's going to be able to run. So we got to slide the bike forward a little, just so the exhaust is not burning my bucket again.
Again?
Yeah, I already burnt the last one. So we're going to put the gas cap on. Safety first. I mean safety third. Key on.
What?
What'd you say? So we are going to put this bolt in. We're going to put the seat on. And we're going to pump up the tire. The tire holds air a little bit, but not very much. But we're going to put this bolt in right. Where did it went? Right here. We're putting this bolt in. And then we are going to put the seat on. And we're gonna give her a little send. So.
And you're riding?
Huh?
You're riding.
So stay tuned. We will be back with you. gonna get on this ride for a second, and we'll get back with you guys as soon as we get back in the garage. Alright guys, so as you can tell, it's December and I'm in a cutoff. But anyways, that doesn't matter. But here she comes. That thing's ripping now. It's freaking ripping. What do you think of it?
That's fast.
It's a lot faster now. I don't know why, but she's a lot faster. So we're gonna put it back in the garage, put the plastics back on it, and we'll catch you guys as soon as we're done. Alright guys, so we're back here. We're back here. The bike is running perfect. So that's for the little flat tire. But anyways, we'll get a new tire, new tube. Don't know why it popped though. Really have no idea. So anyways, we are gonna put the plastics back on. So we'll do a 2 little time lapse, and we'll catch you guys as soon as we're done. Alright guys, so there you have it. The bike is back together. We do have to get a back tire and a tube because somebody keeps doing burnouts and keep throwing their Crocs all over the place. But anyways, you guys haven't seen Grace lately, so here she is. Grace. Grace. He said dada. Say dada. No, you're gonna just spit.
Look at the dog.
Anyways. Huh? What?
Show the dogs.
Oh. Anyways, that'll probably be the end of this video. They are getting a little short just because the weather's getting colder and you know, we might do a little riding here and there on the video, but you guys remember Chop
And
from the last video.
There's my rope.
We still have a lot of projects to do. This one, we're going to check the compression because I think maybe the compression's bad. This one, I can't find a clutch for, so we might have to put a new motor in that, which somebody's going to be very, very happy about that. Not. But maybe it'll be a little bit more horsepower. And we have another project, the goat cart, which you guys haven't really seen much of that, but we are working on that on the back burner.
Did you tell them about the other thing?
And
Mini bike?
we have another project, that mini bike that we have. We are going to turn it into a drift trike. A drift trike. And we're going to probably put a new motor in that, which we are going to have to... I'm going to keep that one a secret. Plus, we got the jet ski that we have to bring in here and pull a motor and see what's wrong with it, because 2017 should not have, or 2018 should not have a blown motor. So, anyways, catch you guys all on the next one.